lovely Sunday morning, everyone. This is Anisa, your social dentist, back with the Sunday Tidbit. In today's Sunday Tidbit, I'm going to reveal the 3 simple truths which, if you answer about your target audience, then you will be able to actually, sell without selling, or rather brand yourself. Okay, so if you really answer these 3 things about your target audience, you'll never need to sell them anything directly. Okay, so what are these 3 questions? Well, the first question is, whenever anybody is trying to buy something, whether it's a service, whether it's a material, or whether it's any product, the first question that they answer, that they want to know is, will this work? Okay, so for example, when a patient is figuring out about a dental service, let's say, for example, a dental implant. So first the patient needs to understand if this dental implant thing actually works. So if you can answer that question in the form of patient stories, which are there on your clinic or your website, then that's the answer which they are seeking. Does this implant thing work? Okay, and whether you are credible or qualified enough to be able to do that thing. That's the number 1 question. Second question which they need to answer is, will this work for me? Meaning, will this particular implant work in my situation, in my unique situations? For example, if I'm diabetic, or if I'm a smoker, or if I am medically compromised, or if I'm somebody who has some underlying medical issues, then will this implant work for me? So will this particular thing work for me? So second question that you need to answer about your target audience is, will this work for me? And the third question which you need to answer is, will I be able to do it? So will I be able to undergo this implant procedure? Meaning, will this give me pain? Will I be able to afford it? Will I be able to go through it? So these are the questions which patients are generally seeking. Nobody really needs to know what technology you're using, or what equipments are you using, or what fancy things they're using. At the core of it, patients really want to answer these 3 questions. Will this work? Will this work for me? Will I be able to do this? And this actually applies to anything. Even if you go to a conference and you say, for example, you're buying an implant kit, the first question that you're going to ask yourself is, does this particular implant system work? So that's the first question you'll answer. Second, so you're going to figure out whether this company is credible enough and whether this particular system works. Second question that you will want to answer is that, will this particular implant system work for me? Meaning, will it work in my particular scenario, in the equipments that I already have, with the present physio dispenser or whatever kit I'm using? Will I be able to use it? So will this work for me is the second question that you're answering. And the third question is, will I be able to do it? So how easy will this implant system be, easy to use? So these are the things. And of course, will I be able to afford it? So how costly it is as compared to the other implant system. So whether you're buying an implant, or you're buying a phone, or a patient is buying a dental service, at the core of it, if you really in your consultation can answer these 3 questions, then probably you have already branded yourself, and you probably will not need to sell. So I hope you like this little Sunday tidbit about the top 3 questions that you need to answer about your target audience. I will see you next Sunday in another Sunday tidbit. Until then, keep at your game, keep chasing your crazy dreams, and keep taking action. This is Anisa, your social dentist, signing off. I'll see you next Sunday at 11 a.m. Thanks for watching.